Hello guys, in this video we will see how to set up or configure Kali Linux 2025.2 on VirtualBox by using the pre-installed image instead of downloading and installing. So first go to Kali Linux and download the pre-installed virtual machine. Kali.org. Click on download or get Kali, both are same. Then see here we have two options, installer images and virtual machines. So in this video we are going to use this pre-built images. So click on it and see here we have the options for VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V and QEMU. Okay, and the default username and password is Kali and Kali. Okay, so click on, in this video we are going to download for the VirtualBox. So click on this download button, direct download, and torrent for the torrent link. So I am going to download by using direct method. Click on it. See, download started. Go to downloads. It's a size. See here, its size is 3.3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have Kali Linux 2025.2 VirtualBox zip file. So we have to unzip this one. Go to downloads. Right click on this zip file. You must have the WinRAR or any unzip software. Then extract to folder. Select the folder. See, extraction started. So go to this folder. Go to this extracted folder again. See here we have the VDA and VBox. Now open the VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, and if you want to install VirtualBox, then go through the video description. There is a link how to install VirtualBox. Then install it. Now click on this add, then add. Then go to machine and select add. Okay, so click on add, then go to downloads folder. I strongly recommend copy this folder to some other location where you have the enough space. So I am going to do that before that. Copy this folder where you have the enough space. Yes. Paste it. See, its size is about 14 gigabytes. This will take time. Copy is completed. Now rename this one. Now go to here. Click on add. VMs. Then select this VBox. Then click on open. See, by default base memory selected 2 gigabytes. So if you want to modify any one of these settings, click on settings. Then see, memory is 2 gigabytes. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Processor default to, it's okay. Remaining options I am not going to change. Okay, click on OK. Now click on start or right click, and if you want to rename this virtual machine name from this list, right click, settings, rename here. This is just virtual machine name, not the host name of the. Click on OK. See, name is changed. Now click on start. Hit enter. Now provide the username. The default username and password is Kali and Kali. See here, the default username and password is Kali and Kali. So provide the same. Kali. Again Kali. Hit enter. See, you have successfully logged in. Double click on it to maximize the to get the full screen. See, you got the full screen. Okay. Now open terminal. Increase the font. Go to file and select preferences. Then click on the font. Click on change. Increase the font size. Select it. Click on OK. Click on apply. Then close this one. See, font size has been increased. Now verify the version. /etc os-release. See, we have configured the 2025.2. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo hit enter. Provide the password of this Kali, that is Kali. See, updation and upgradation is in progress. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download the pre-built Kali Linux 2025.2 VM, and we have attached or configured on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.